Welcome to LBank's step-by-step guide to futures trading. Let's get started. Click Futures. Check the box to agree to the LBK contract service agreement, then click Confirm to start trading. If your futures account is empty, click the plus button next to Available Balance, enter the transfer amount, and confirm. The futures page includes the menu for navigation, price chart for market trends, order panel for placing trades, and trading panel for tracking positions. Search for your target trading pair, select margin mode cross or isolated, choose leverage, pick order type, set price and quantity, and place your order. In the trading panel, select Close or MKT Close to close your trades. In current positions, click Add to set stop loss or take profit by choosing trigger price and amount. Click one-click reverse in current positions, input quantity, and confirm to open an opposite position. In the trading view chart, draw a line, click the plus to place a limit order at the selected price. Register at lbank.com and fund your account to start trading. Visit our support center for more help.